The LG V20 user here, and today I will be giving you guys a first look at Dark Theme on the Google Play Store. So if you guys have an Android device, y'all guys can now enable Dark Theme on the Google Play Store if you guys are interested. So this is the default theme, which is the light theme. So this is default here, so everything is light here. So if you guys want to enable Dark Theme, what you do is click on your hamburger menu, go down to your settings here, and y'all guys will see an option for theme. You click on that, y'all guys will the option for light, which is the default theme, dark theme, or set by battery saver. Click on dark theme here. Everything in the Play Store is now themed. Your settings, your everything in the Play Store is now themed. Your search is themed. Everything in the Play Store that you guys go to is themed. So your games are themed. Everything in here is themed out. Click on the app like TubeBuddy here. This is all themed out. The reviews, everything is all themed out. So this is really cool. So if you guys want to get dark theme, go to your settings in the Play Store, click on theme, and y'all guys can get the dark theme there. So there you guys have it. Dark theme for the Play Store is now available on all Android devices. So check it out if you guys haven't already. This is a really cool feature, and this will help with probably save battery, so this is really cool. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.